Hello and welcome to our VEX prototype game design, Pathway. The game is played on a 12-foot square field covering 36 2-foot square tiles. The main field is 11 30-inch poles across the field with a 12-inch raised platform covering 1/6 of the field. Supported by the poles are two curved rails which were arranged as shown. The main scoring object is a spiked sphere which is pushed along the rails by the robot. Points are scored with each green marker passed by the sphere, and if a sphere is touching the finishing block or touching another sphere which is already touching the finishing block, maximum points are scored. Objects on the field which can obstruct robots include the fixed raised platform, 4 movable floor wedges of different dimensions, 13 6-inch square sacks, and 2 rail wedges. 10 spiked spheres will be available per alliance as preloads, which can be used at any time. At the start of the match, your robot must fit into an 18-inch cube, but it can expand outside of that once the match has begun. Preloads must be placed on the white area of the rails and may only be moved in the direction of the path. If a sphere leaves the path, it may not be replaced where it fell off. Instead, it must be taken back to the central starting tile where it can be replaced on the rail. Robots may not be pinned or obstructed, either directly or indirectly by another robot, and may only be obstructed by field objects. A parking bonus is available for the alliance that has the most robots parked on their starting tiles at the end of a match. An obstruction bonus is for the alliance with the most wedges and sacks on their half of the field at an end of a match. And an autonomous bonus is given to the alliance with the most points after the autonomous period. The autonomous period lasts for 20 seconds, and after counting the points for the autonomous bonus, there is a 2-minute driver control period. We are now going to show a shortened demo match. First up is the autonomous. The red alliance already seems to be trying to score, but one of the blue alliance's robots is picking the other one up. Meanwhile, the other red alliance robot is moving one of the wedges into the blue half of the field. The red alliance has won the autonomous bonus. Now for the driver control. A blue alliance robot has been put onto the rails and is now pushing the scoring object along the rails, meaning that it is not going to be obstructed by the wedge. The other blue alliance robot is clearing the rails of all obstructions to allow maximum points to be scored. The Red Alliance have pushed one of their scoring objects near to the end of the rail, but the raised platform stops it from going any further. On the other hand, the Blue Alliance now has scored maximum points and is going back to score more. However, the other Blue Alliance robot has become stuck on the sack. It's nearly the end of the match, and whereas the Blue Alliance are trying to score more points, the Red Alliance are going for the parking bonus. The Blue Alliance have scored 48 points in total with bonuses, whereas the Red Alliance have only scored 36. The Blue Alliance have won. Thank you for watching prototype animation of Pathway.